Hey you guys, so I am going to show you how to make chicken stock. And yes, I have mirepoix in here, some carrots, celery, and onions to go with this. And I'm going to make delicious chicken stock. So I'm going to add some water to this and I'll be right back. Okay, I have just added a gallon of filtered water to this. So I'm just going to kind of tuck this under a little bit. Probably going to add just a little bit more. And since it is 7:30 at night, this is going to be cooking all night long. So in the morning, you can see the chicken right there. There is 8 pounds of chicken thigh and leg here. So I'm going to do something else with the meat, but this is going to make amazing chicken broth, chicken stock. And I will show you guys in the morning how this comes out. It is going to be absolutely amazing, you guys. So I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of seasoned pepper by Lawry's, like you guys know, a little bit of Lawry's seasoned salt, and that's it. I'm just going to let this sit all night and simmer once it comes to a boil. And then we are going to can it in the morning, and I will show you guys every single step of the way. So all I have done is I had 2 packages, which was about 8.5 pounds of chicken legs and chicken thighs, some carrots, about 2 pounds of carrots, about 2 pounds of onions, and 2 large stalks of celery. That's all I've added to this. I'm going to add a little bit of Himalayan pink salt, and that's it. And some pepper, some Watkins pepper, and let this simmer all night long after it comes to a boil, and I will show you guys what it looks like in the morning. It is going to be absolutely delicious. I have no chicken stock in my pantry right now. Really, really hard to believe, but I don't. I have onion and vegetable, plenty of vegetable stock, but no chicken stock. So this is how we're going to do this, and I will show you guys how it turns out in the morning. It's going to be absolutely delicious. It's going to be cooking all night long, and usually when I do this, I get up at all hours and I try to stir it as much as I can, and then I will show you guys the next step in the morning. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a good evening. Don't forget, we are going to do the word of the day, which is going to be carrots. So don't forget, you have to subscribe. You have to comment the word of the day in the comment section. Share my video and hit that like button, you guys, and you will be entered to win. You will get a key from me in the comment section in the reply, and you'll know that you are entered to win in the mid-November giveaway, the next giveaway that we're doing, where we're giving away a dehydrator and an electric kettle and a few other things, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. I wish you guys who missed it on Friday could have been there, but you do have another opportunity, and you will have several opportunities in the future as our channel grows. Please share my channel. That helps the YouTube algorithm to promote my channel, and it helps with the revenue. That's how I am supported, is through you guys and watching my videos, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I hope you know that. I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the word of the day.